2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, fog lights, MP3 capability, electronic stability control, CD player, rear window defroster, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, power windows, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, power moonroof, tachometer. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.